So what is the need of the product? Poor farmers have to carry heavy load of sprayer on their back and have to create pressure using their own hands to spray the insecticide. This causes severe problems in their hands and the back. Since they spray it from very close, insecticides harm them too. And obviously the process is very slow. So after seeing the need, what our idea was that what if we could make a mechanism which can solve both the problems at the same time. That is, the carrying of the sprayer and spraying insecticide. If we can make a mechanical sprayer which can carry the sprayer on a very easily and on a frame which can be pushed easily, then we have solved the problem. Implementing the idea. First we discussed and designed a product and made a freehand sketch and a CAD model. So this is what we designed. So this is a mechanical sprayer. It works through a simple crankshaft mechanism. There is a wheel attached to the gear in the front part of the product. A chain goes over the gear and another gear which is placed close to the sprayer and is connected to a rod. The rod is connected to the piston which moves vertically upwards and downwards as the product goes in the back in the forward direction. This generates pressure in the tank and water/pesticide is thrown out of the nozzle. This makes it easier for farmers as they had to carry this 20 kg load at their backs. Now they can just push the sprayer and spray pesticides in their farms. We gathered material from Chavdi Bazaar and from the junkyard. So, making the frame. Firstly, we cut the rods according to the dimensions we needed, and next we welded the rods together to make the basic frame. After that, we cut the pedal of the gear to fit into our frame. Then we joined the wheels to the frames by bolts and angles, and then tested the moving of the frame and the wheels. For joining the wheels, we had to drill holes in the angle and the frame, and then we used nuts and bolts to tighten the wheels and fix them into place. After that, we connected the sprayer by wrapping 2 strips of sheet metal. We wrapped the sheet metal around the sprayer and then we connected a gear and chain mechanism and connected the rod to the piston and the gear and chain mechanism. Now if the wheel moves, then the rod moves vertically upwards and downwards, which was the objective, since the piston makes pressure and thus spraying the insecticides.
To make handle for the sprayer, we used 2 steel rods and bent them using pipe bender in the sheet metal shop. After all of this, we had almost completed our project, as we had added the gear and chain mechanism, we had connected the rod to the piston and gear chain mechanism, and we had made a stand for the pipe through which the insecticides would be sprayed. We had also connected 2 hooks to the frame so that they could be used to hang any stuff as the person may like.
For finishing, we painted the project using an acrylic spray paint. Now as we are done, it's time to test our project. We tested our product on a strip of grass beside the central workshop and it worked perfectly. It sprayed the pesticide or the water and did not have any hiccups for health.
So these are the following features which we were able to deliver at the end. A working mechanical sprayer with following extra features. First, adjustable height. Second, hooks for carrying tools or lunch. And third, 2 modes of spraying. Constrained for uniform crops or plants and free for irregular crops or plants.